Hi, my name is Satare and welcome to my individual project. I'm developing an e-commerce technology products website which is functional. The front end is responsive for both mobile and web versions, but the back end is not complete yet and I'm still working on it. Why I choose an e-commerce website? An e-commerce website is perhaps one of the essential tools for entrepreneurs to sell their products, and I plan to do so in the future. I also aim to showcase a complete project in my portfolio, demonstrating my skills and knowledge throughout just one single project. Now I'm going through a demo of my website. On the homepage, there is an announcement section followed by the navbar. Login and card functions, but the search bar isn't functional yet. Next, there is a slider displaying special deals or brand news, followed by a list of all products, and the footer at last. Clicking on a product redirects us to the product details page, where more details are available along with an action to add the product to the cart. Now let's add some products like a MacBook Pro and maybe 3 external cards. Clicking on the cart redirects us to the shopping cart. Here I can change the quantity of products, and as you see, the subtotal amount updates dynamically. I can also remove a product from the list. Clicking on Checkout checks authentication first, and if we are logged in, like now, we get redirected to the shipping page. Otherwise, we are redirected to the login page. The shipping page is still under development, and we can log out through user options here. And to mention on tools and technologies, I can say I used Next.js, which is a React framework for production. It provides features like server-side rendering and authentication, for which I used the Next.auth package. I used React Hook Form to handle input validation. For UI, I used SCSS, a preprocessor scripting language with a more structured and modular approach for styling, and MongoDB for my database, which I used Atlas MongoDB for cloud hosting and a local MongoDB on my computer. And I'm planning to use Vercel for deployment. I used GitHub to control different versions of my website. The main branch is the development branch. Currently, I'm changing the design, and so the new design branch is my active branch. When working on the styles, I check out to the styles branch, and then I create a pull request to development when I'm done. I implemented my design using 2 different Figma designs. I picked the navbar section from this one and other parts of my project mostly from this design. To make my website responsive, I used media queries, Flexbox, and Grid. For example, to display products using Grid, here this part of code says that on screens with a minimum width of 768 pixels, my grid changes to 3 columns, and on screens with a minimum width of 1024 pixels, the grid further changes to 4 columns.